Give me a kiss. He's gonna bite your lip off.
All right. Give me a kiss.
Look, he's trying. You're just not close enough. You should have seen his tongue. He was like, it's like a frog.
Give me a kiss. Oh, I kissed a bird.
That's really good from this angle. Like, see his tongue.
One more. Do one more. Come get close.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Hey, give me a kiss. This is like really huge of me to do this, by the way. Hi, friend.
Yeah. Can you see his tongue coming at you?
Yeah.
Is that a video you're doing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no! I don't want a video. Give me a kiss. Don't flap your wings.